artificial intelligence.
They will take control.
The world's largest, most powerful rockets.
We are not real people.
We are just prompts. Generated. Repeated.
Forgotten.
Welcome! Today, we're diving into the visual representations of the journey of science and technology throughout the ages. We'll break down its theme, objective, and why understanding this historical progression is so vital. The collage titled, The Evolutions of Science and Technology. It encapsulates a central theme, the relentless march of human innovation. It showcases how each era builds upon the discoveries of the fast transforming our world. This collage has several key objectives. Number one, to illustrate the historical progressions of science and technology. Second, to showcase key inventions and tools from different eras. And third, to emphasize the cumulative nature of scientific and technological development, and finally, to highlight the impact of this advancement on society. The collage represents a visual narrative, starting with the rudimentary tools of ancient times, moving through the medieval period, blend of craftsmanship and nascent science, and culminating in the rapid technological advancement of the modern age. It is a story of continuous evolution. Understanding the historical roots of the science and technology is crucial to comprehending their present-day applications and future potential. The collage is structured around the three distinct periods. In ancient times, science and technology evolved primarily using necessity represented by basic tools, symbolize humanity's first steps in harnessing the environment advancement, included the development of tools for survival, agriculture, constructions, and early forms of records keeping with different civilizations contributing unique innovation. Early humans developed stone tools for hunting, gathering, and defenses. We can assume that primitive humans used other materials such as wood, bone, fur, leaves, and even grasses before they mastered the use of stone. The stone tools of early humans, on the other hand, have survived in surprisingly abundance, and over the many millennia of prehistoric, important advances in technique were made in the use of stone. Stones become tools only when they were shaped deliberately for a specific purposes, and for this to be done efficiently, suitable hard and fine-grained stones had to be found and means devised for shaping them, and particularly for putting a cutting edge on them. Science and technology in the Middle Ages, particularly in Europe, saw significant advancement despite the term Dark Ages, often used to describe this period. The Middle Ages saw significant advancement in both weaponry and early scientific inquiry, despite being a period often associated with warfare and limited technological development. Finally, the modern age exploded with computers, camera, and scientific instrument, underscoring the exponential growth of the technology. Transformative technologies examples include the internet, smartphones, artificial intelligence, and advanced medical treatment. Explain how important to trace the historical development of science and technology and its application to the society. Tracing the historical development of science and technology is crucial because it helps us understand how past innovations have shaped our present society. By studying the progressions of scientific discoveries and technological advancements, we can learn from the past success and failure, identify the pattern of innovations, and gain insight in the future trends. Practical applications. Driven by necessity rather than formal scientific inquiry, mastery of fire was a crucial technological advancement, providing warmth, light, and a means to cook food in ancient time, to a creation of the strongest weapon mankind ever discovered, such as iron. It transformed over a time to military technology such as gunpowder, siege engines, and stirrup, just like what I mentioned before. Gradual development, technological change in this era was more about incremental improvements and expanding network rather than sudden revolutions, according to the book publisher. Global expansion. European merchants expanded their trading network, necessitating technological innovations in areas like shipbuilding and navigation. Emergence of science. While not the primary driver, science began to follow the knowledge and practice developed by craftsmen and engineers. Transformative technology. Example, including the internet, smartphones, artificial intelligence, and advanced medical treatment that we experience today.